So here's what I wonder, often, and practicing regenerative medicine, I think about it more and more. I will always, I ask my patients, what is your maintenance plan for your body? If you buy a car or a truck today, you have to take it for regular servicing and maintenance. And the reason you do that is so that it does not break down on you. You're not left stranded on the freeway, right? So similarly, our body, it's a very, very complex machinery that, you know, it's working 24/7, right? And we don't have any maintenance plan for it. We actually wait for it to break down on us, start having some symptoms, start having some conditions, and then we seek medical advice. So I think we have to pay a little bit attention to our body, especially if you're in high activity sports. You know that it's going to cause some wear and tear. So now with regenerative medicine, see, traditional medicine I can understand. Nobody looks forward to going to a doctor to get a whole bunch of pills or get, steroid injections or be referred for surgery. But in regenerative medicine, the beauty is that we have a lot of tools. Stem cells is one of them, but we have other tools too that can help you recover and heal even as you continue on your journey. So coming up with a maintenance plan for your body is very, very important. It might start with something as simple as just regularly getting your blood test done, right? But then if you have pain, and early on pain, you don't have to wait till it gets to a point where you're now looking at either surgery or deciding, because at that stage, even regenerative medicine may not be as helpful as it would be if you sought help earlier. One of the questions obviously is in everybody's mind is that regenerative medicine, because it's not currently FDA approved or covered by insurance, it's going to be expensive, and that's not true. It is not as expensive as you might think it to be, first of all. And secondly, there are different tools that one can employ, and that is what we do here at the Goswami Clinic. We have a treatment protocol that can suit your budget. Okay, yes, there will be some out-of-pocket expense, but it will be much less in the longer run because you will be improving the quality of your life, you will be functioning as an optimal human being, and those things will create more wealth and health for you going forward.